Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to reply to stories directly from your PC. If you've ever found it challenging to engage with your friends' stories from your desktop, this new feature is here to make things easier. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is the gateway to all your Instagram activities, including viewing and replying to stories. Next, open the story you want to reply to. You can do this by navigating to the profile of the user whose story you're interested in. Click on their profile picture at the top of your feed to view their current stories. Once you're in, take a moment to enjoy their content. Now comes the fun part. Write your message. Look for the message box at the bottom of the story viewer. Click in the box and type out your reply. Whether it's a compliment, a question, or just a fun emoji, make it personal and engaging. This is your chance to connect with your friends and show them you're paying attention. Finally, once you've crafted the perfect response, click Send. Your message will be delivered directly to them, just like it would if you were using the mobile app. This seamless interaction not only enhances communication, but also keeps the conversation going without needing to switch devices. And there you have it. Replying to Instagram stories on your PC is quick and straightforward with this new update. No more hassle of pulling out your phone just to send a quick reply. Enjoy connecting with your friends and engaging with their stories right from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions about using Instagram on PC, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Instagramming!